Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to quickly and easily set up your very own attendance tracker using Google Sheets. If you're a teacher, a group leader, or really anyone who needs to keep tabs on attendance, by the end of this tutorial you'll have a simple, customizable tool that's ready to go and you'll save yourself a ton of time. So let's dive right in and get you set up. We're going to start by heading over to the main Google Sheets page. You can get there by going to sheets.google.com in your browser. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure to log in first. This is important because you'll need access to the free templates that Google offers, and being signed in makes everything smoother. Once you're on the main page, look up at the top right corner. You'll see an option called Template Gallery. Go ahead and click on that. Sometimes people miss this step because the button is a little small and can blend in with the other options, but trust me, it's a real-time saver. The template gallery is like a menu of ready-made documents, so you don't have to start from scratch. Now scroll down through the templates until you spot one labeled Attendance. Google sometimes organizes these differently based on your region or updates, so if you don't see it immediately, just keep scrolling or try searching for Attendance in the search bar at the top of the template gallery. Once you find it, give it a click to open up your new tracker. This template comes preloaded with columns and formatting designed specifically for tracking attendance. Right at the top, you'll probably see a place for the class name and the teacher's name. Take a moment to personalize these, click into the cells and type in the relevant information for your class or group. Customizing this makes your tracker instantly recognizable and more professional, especially if you plan to share it or print it out. Next, you'll see a list of students. The template gives some sample names, but of course you'll want to make this your own. Simply delete the sample names and input your students' members or participants. You can add or remove rows depending on the size of your group. Don't worry if you've never edited a table in Google Sheets, just click in a cell and type. If you need more rows, right-click and select Insert Row, or even just drag down from the last row. Another feature you'll notice is the ability to tweak other details. Want to track additional notes, dates, or specific codes? You can add extra columns or edit the existing ones to fit exactly what you need. Maybe you're tracking absences, tardies, or special attendance marks for events. Customizing the template can make it work for just about any scenario. On another tab at the bottom, you'll see something called the Attendance Key. Click over to that sheet. This is where Google Sheets lays out what all the codes in the tracker mean, like P for present, A for absent, L for late, and any other codes you might want to use. If you have a unique code system, feel free to edit this key so anyone using the sheet understands your abbreviations. It's like having a legend on a map, it just helps everybody stay on the same page. And that's really it. It's amazing how setting up an organized attendance tracker can turn what used to be hours of paperwork into just a few clicks. Take a few minutes to explore the template, personalize it, and you'll have a fully functional attendance system ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help customizing your tracker further. I love helping out, and your feedback helps me make even better videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.